If you're seeing Google Drive error code 38, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your upload working again without guessing. This error usually points to a connection issue, browser problem, or a file upload glitch. And the good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Let's get started. First, refresh Google Drive. If the page has been open for a while, or if the upload got stuck, a simple refresh can clear temporary loading issues. On Windows, press Ctrl and R. On Mac, use Command and R. Once the page reloads, try uploading the file again and see if that error disappears. If that does not work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Google Drive error code 38 can happen when the connection is unstable or interrupted during upload. Make sure your internet is strong and steady. If possible, avoid weak public Wi-Fi since those connections can drop in and out without warning. A stable connection can make all the difference here. Now let's clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes when Drive keeps failing to upload. If you're using Google Chrome, open settings, then go to privacy and security. From there, click clear browsing data. Make sure you clear cookies and cached images and files. After that, restart your browser and go back to Google Drive. Old cached data can sometimes interfere with uploads, so this step is very important. Next, try opening Google Drive in Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, use Command, Shift, and N. Incognito Mode disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browsing session, which helps you figure out whether an extension, cookie issue, or browser conflict is causing the problem. Once the private window opens, sign in to Google Drive again and test the upload. If the error still appears, try uploading a different file. Start with a small test file like a simple document or image. If the smaller file uploads successfully, that usually means the original file may be corrupted, too large, or formatted in a way Drive is struggling with. At that point, you can rename the file, compress it, convert it, or re-export it before trying again. At this stage, if nothing has worked yet, it's a good idea to keep testing with another browser as well, because sometimes the issue is specific to one browser session. But for most users, one of these first 5 steps will solve Google Drive error code 38 quickly. So to recap, refresh Drive, check your internet, clear cache and cookies, try Incognito Mode, and test another file. That sequence fixes a lot of upload problems without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you solve the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.